In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a panorama mode on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app starts in a photo mode. And all we have to do in order to switch it to a panorama mode is just tap right here where it says Pano, or first off we can tap Add Portraits to go right, and then tap Add Pano to activate panorama mode. This mode allows us to create outstanding panoramas pictures. Let me show you how to do that. So first off, we can change the zoom or lens you would like to use to take this panorama. As you can see, that object is close to my camera, so I'm gonna use that wide angle lens to create my panorama. And basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap at that button, and then we just need to move it. While moving, try to keep this arrow on this line. Once you are done, tap right here. That will save panorama to your camera roll. You can immediately tap on it to see it, and then when you close Camera app, you can easily find your panorama at the Photos app. Just open up Photos app, and that's where you can easily find it. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.